Assalamu alaikum, namaste, hi everyone. Welcome back to my kitchen. Cook with Nigar. Let's prepare mutton sukka fry.
Tasty mutton fry. I have taken 1 kg mutton. Let us transfer the mutton pieces in the cooker. I have transferred the 1 kg mutton pieces in the cooker. Now stove is on. I have kept the cooker on the stove. Now I am going to add the 3 spoonful ginger garlic paste, or else 3 tablespoons, because I am taking much. Let us add 1 spoonful turmeric powder, 3 spoonful chili powder, 2 spoonful coriander powder. As for the taste, you can add the salt. I am going to add the 2 spoonful. Let's mix for 2 minutes so that all the masala, spices absorb the meat, and the water which is there in the mutton will be dried out. Now let us add 100 ml water. Let us close the lid. Let us leave for 2 whistles. 2 whistles are over. Now let us half the stove. Let us keep for the cooling check. Now the lid, let us see, now it is half done. Now let us transfer it into griddle and fry. Now let us on the stove. Griddle is on the stove. Let us add the oil. Now we have to add the 200 ml oil. This is 100 ml. Let us do now. For 1 kg, 1 kilo mutton, we have to use the 200 ml oil. Let's wait till it get heated. This is 5 medium size onion chopped. This is 3 tomatoes chopped, medium size. This is also medium size. This is quarter bunch coriander leaves chopped. 5 we need the green chilies to add in the mutton fry. Now our oil is well heated. Let's add the onion. Let's fry this onion till it turns into golden brown. Now see the color of the onion. It is well fried and the color also changed into golden brown. Now we have to add the mutton what we have cooked. See how much water is used from the mutton. We used only 100 ml. See how much water we used. So we should not add additional water. Let us pour into griddle. Now let us add chopped tomatoes, green chilies. This is half coconut paste. Let us add. Now coriander, chopped coriander. Let us fry till the water fully dries up, and in between we have to do intermittent stirring. Let us do now. Let us mix and see all the spices and everything is accurately used or not, or else we can taste and see. We can add. I think everything is perfectly added. So let us cover the lid and cook till the entire the water full water dries up. Let us open and stir once and add the additional masalas what we have to add in this. This is all spices masala, 1.5 spoon. Garam masala, 1 spoon. Let us stir well till entire water fully dries up. We have to cook. Let us do now. Come on, let's check now. See how the oil is used, and it is see the structure of the mutton fry and the gauge of this one. A small request: who will not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe so that you never miss my updates and you the first viewer of updates. Click the like button, press the bell icon, share the friends and relatives. Let us keep in low flame for 10 minutes more so that the oil oozes much and it enhances the taste rich. Let us do now. Now our mutton fry is ready to eat and serve. Let us transfer the in serving bowl. Let us transfer the mutton. Let us switch off the stove. Let us transfer in the serving bowl. Now it is ready to eat and serve. Suppose if you are satisfied, if you are happy with my preparation, don't forget to subscribe my channel, click the like button, press the bell icon, share the friends and relatives. Till the next upload, take care of yourself. Have a nice time. Bye bye. Bye bye. Jai Hind. Allah Hafiz.